Did you know that the top 1% of earners control more wealth than the bottom 90% combined? That's right, folks. It's a statistic that should make you stop and question everything you thought you knew about money. The truth is, building wealth isn't about luck, special skills, or being born with a silver spoon in your mouth. It's about understanding and implementing the right principles, the kind of wealth secrets that broke people often overlook. In this video, we're diving deep into 5 of these secrets, and trust me, they're simpler than you think. Get ready to change your financial future. Let's talk about mindsets, folks. The way we think about money can either limit us or set us free. It's not just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about the beliefs you hold about your financial potential. A fixed mindset is like a financial prison, trapping you in the belief that wealth is reserved for other people. You might feel stuck, thinking that no matter what you do, you'll never get ahead. This mindset convinces you that financial success is for the lucky or the naturally talented. You start thinking, I'm not good with money, or investing is too risky. These thoughts become self-fulfilling prophecies, holding you back from taking the steps needed to improve your financial situation. You might avoid learning about investments or budgeting because you believe it's beyond your capabilities. That's a load of hogwash. These limiting beliefs are just that. Beliefs, not facts. You have the power to change them. By recognizing and challenging these thoughts, you can start to break free from the constraints of a fixed mindset. A growth mindset, on the other hand, empowers you to embrace challenges, learn from mistakes, and believe in your ability to grow your wealth. It encourages you to see financial setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than as insurmountable obstacles. It's about understanding that financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial goals. It's about progress, not perfection. You don't have to be a Wall Street whiz to succeed. You just need the willingness to learn and adapt. Financial success is accessible to anyone who is willing to put in the effort to educate themselves and make informed decisions. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your financial future. Build it strong. By cultivating a growth mindset, you lay the groundwork for a prosperous and financially secure life. So, start today. Challenge your limiting beliefs, embrace learning, and watch your financial confidence soar. Debt is like a sneaky thief, stealing your income. It creeps up on you, often unnoticed, until it becomes a heavy burden that weighs you down. It holds your financial future hostage, making it difficult to plan for the things that truly matter. Whether it's saving for a home, starting a business, or simply enjoying life without constant financial stress, debt can be a major roadblock. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar that could be working for you, building your wealth instead of lining someone else's pockets. Imagine the possibilities if that money was invested in your future, growing and compounding over time. I've seen countless stories of people who dug themselves out of mountains of debt and came out stronger on the other side. These individuals didn't just pay off their debt, they transformed their lives, gaining confidence and control over their financial destiny. They made a plan, tightened their belts, and said no to unnecessary spending. They learned to differentiate between needs and wants, prioritizing their long-term goals over short-term gratification. They understood that true financial freedom comes from owning your money, not being owned by it. This mindset shift allowed them to take control of their finances and build a secure future. Remember, you can't build wealth if you're constantly playing catch-up with debt collectors. The stress and anxiety of being in debt can take a toll on your mental and physical health, making it even harder to focus on your financial goals. It's time to break free. Take the first step towards financial freedom today. Create a budget, cut unnecessary expenses, and start paying off your debt. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine a life where you are in control of your finances, free from the shackles of debt. It's possible, and it starts with a single step. Chapter 3. Budgeting. Your secret weapon to financial freedom. Listen up, folks. Budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about taking control of your money and making it work for you. It's about knowing where your money is going and making conscious choices about your spending. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. You might be surprised where your money is actually going. Then, create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. Allocate your income to necessities, savings, and even some fun money. Remember, a budget isn't a punishment. It's a roadmap to financial freedom. Chapter 4. Invest early and watch your money grow. The magic of compound interest is one of the best-kept secrets to building wealth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Think of it like planting a tree. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't be intimidated by the stock market or think you need a lot of money to get started. There are plenty of resources available to help you make informed investment decisions. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow over time. Chapter 5. Never stop learning. The world of finance is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Commit to lifelong learning and personal growth. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, immerse yourself in financial knowledge. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions with your money. Remember, knowledge is power. And in the world of finance, it's the key to unlocking your full financial potential. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself. It's the best investment you'll ever make. Outro. Take control of your financial future. It's time to take the reins and steer your financial destiny. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategies, the power to change your financial future is in your hands. We've covered a lot of ground today, folks, but the message is clear. Financial success is achievable for everyone. It doesn't matter where you start. What matters is the steps you take moving forward. Building wealth isn't rocket science. It's about understanding the basics and consistently applying them. Start by tracking your expenses and creating a budget that works for you. It's about adopting the right mindset, avoiding debt, budgeting wisely, investing early, and making informed decisions. Remember, every small step counts, and never stopping your financial education. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial choices. Read books, attend seminars, and stay updated with the latest financial news. Implementing even one of these secrets can significantly improve your financial well-being. Imagine the impact of incorporating several. Now, I want to hear from you. Your journey is unique, and your insights can inspire others. Which of these wealth secrets resonated with you the most? Was it the importance of budgeting, the power of early investing, or perhaps the continuous learning aspect? Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback helps create a community of like-minded individuals striving for financial freedom. And if you're ready to take your financial journey to the next level, don't stop here. There's always more to learn and more strategies to implement. Check out my next video, where I dive deeper into advanced financial strategies and tips. I share even more powerful tips that can help you navigate the complexities of personal finance. Together, we can achieve true financial freedom. So, stay tuned, stay motivated, and let's make your financial dreams a reality.